Celestron Inspire 100AZ Review. The $350 scope that'll make you believe in aliens. Let's be real for a second. Trying to get into stargazing with cheap, clunky gear feels like being handed a potato and told to find Saturn. You've got the excitement, the curiosity, maybe even a decent night sky, and then your so-called starter telescope ruins everything. Blurry images, confusing setup, too many pieces, and don't even get us started on that janky tripod. You're out there fumbling with manuals while the moon rises and your motivation crashes. Every amazing beginner telescope you Googled? Yeah, most of them are glorified plastic tubes. It's no wonder so many people give up before they even see their first planet. But it doesn't stop there. The deeper pain hits when your $100 impulse buy becomes deadweight, crappy focus, weird upside-down views, and more time spent troubleshooting than stargazing. Suddenly, this fun little hobby becomes a stress spiral. You feel overwhelmed, underwhelmed, and maybe even a little embarrassed trying to explain why you can't find Jupiter with that telescope you just got. You bought into the dream of backyard astronomy, but got stuck with a toy. And worse? You're missing those wow moments that change how you see the universe. That's not just frustration, that's a cosmic injustice. Now, breathe. Enter the Celestron Inspire 100AZ refractor telescope, aka the beginner-friendly beast that finally delivers what it promises. This is not some plastic Amazon regret. With a 100mm aperture, fully coated optics, a Starpointer Pro red dot finder scope, and a built-in smartphone adapter, the Inspire 100AZ is designed to wow from night one. Setup? A breeze, no tools needed, just pop open the tripod and lock it in. It's literally got a flashlight built into the mount. Want to snap pics of Saturn's rings or the Orion Nebula? You can do that straight from your phone. It's like the Tesla of beginner scopes, sleek, smart, and actually does the damn thing. Let's talk benefits. You're getting crisp, bright views of the moon, Jupiter's moons, Saturn's rings, and even deep sky objects like the Andromeda Galaxy. Daytime birdwatching? Yup. Nature spotting? You bet. With manual alt-azimuth control, it's intuitive to use, and with erect image optics, what you see is right side up, thank you, finally. The adjustable tripod fits your vibe whether you're sitting on the deck or standing in a field. And the smartphone adapter lets you share the magic instantly, no astrophotography degree required. If you're tired of gear that makes you feel like a confused caveman, this is your upgrade. Ready to stop guessing and start discovering? Scroll down and learn more. Let's not sugarcoat it. The Inspire 100AZ is flying off shelves faster than conspiracy theories at a UFO convention. Thousands of stargazers, parents, students, absolute astronomy noobs, are finally seeing the cosmos with this telescope, and you could be next. Celestron has been the gold standard since 1960, and this scope is covered by US-based customer support and resources that actually help. It's risk-free wonder, delivered. So don't let another full moon pass you by. Buy now. Secure yours today. Limited stock available. Your first glimpse of Saturn's rings is waiting, and trust us, it hits different when you've got the right gear.